Hey folks, welcome to QuantsApp and welcome back to yet another video. Did you check this move out which happened in Nifty? 880 points cut in Nifty, which is 5% down move happening in Nifty from 9th of March. High I'm talking about, high to low I'm talking about. So it's 880 points down move in Nifty. Now, my question is, can we go ahead and identify such moves well in advance? Can we be alerted about such moves well in advance? And the answer to that is yes. And the answer to that is historical build-ups, futures historical build-ups. And it is very simple. Okay, it is very simple. All we need to do is we need to see who is aggressive overall in the market. Are the bears aggressive or are the bulls aggressive? Okay, so simplest way of doing this is by QuantsApp futures historical built-up. Built-up future OIH, the third tab in the built-up script panel in our application. To access this tool, navigate to the link in the description box below or the icon. So let me just explain you this graph, what it is trying to tell you. The red color bars, something negative. It is trying to tell you shorts. Green color bars, something positive. It's showing you long. Blue will show you long unwinding. Yellow will show you short covering. Okay. So first thing is, whenever the market moves down, it will always have those rise and then it will go down, right? It will always have those respites and then it will go down. Now, how can we figure out that whether it was a respite or whether it was a genuine long? Okay. And the answer to that is again future OIH, which is futures built up. I'll tell you how. So now just check this thing out. Okay. Just for a second, just check this thing out and ask yourself a question, that if you are getting to see something like this, okay, if you are getting to see something like this, will you buy Nifty? Will you be bullish on Nifty? I won't be, right? Why I won't be is because I see that there are so much of shorts getting accumulated in Nifty. There has not been a lot of short covering, means that existing shorts which are getting built up, right? जो existing short आ चुका है, वही अभी तक नहीं निकला है. Those are only not getting exited. Then how can I go ahead and be bullish on the index? Okay. Instead, if I am getting to see something like this on every rise, I will look out for an opportunity to sell on every rise, which is a respite, which is not backed up by additional open interest participation. I will look out to sell Nifty. Okay, this is what exactly happened. Just check this move out. Okay, now I'm taking you on 8th of March, assuming that we are trying to create a position on 8th of March, and this entire rally, if I want to capture, how can we go ahead and do it? Okay, let's say we are placed on 8th of March, that Nifty has given 3 up moves. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 up moves. The entire market would have thought that okay, this is done, right? We are sorted now. There is almost a double bottom. I will not show you chart and all those things, but if you just look at it on closing to closing basis, you will feel that there is a kind of, 2 times Nifty has taken a support at a particular level. Most of the times you will expect that there is a reversal which might happen from here. Okay, now you see that okay, these up moves, okay, when you are in this chart, you know that these up moves, those are because of short covering, not because of fresh longs which are getting added in the system. It is just because of existing shorts. To a smaller extent, they are getting covered. Number one thing. Now on this day, there comes a misleading long built up. Okay, why I'm calling it a misleading long built up is because just check this thing out. Optimize your options trading using QuantsApp. Click the link in the description box below, apply code YTUBE and get a 2 days additional access to all the advanced option trading analytics and be a data-driven trader with QuantsApp. Thank you. 17,774 to 17,794. How much was the positive move which happened in Nifty? 20 points. Nothing. Market has collapsed all the way from 17,900 to 17,300. In front of that, there is just 20 points up move happening in Nifty, and the open interest has went up, so it is showing you long. Okay, we can't help it, it will show you long. Now just ask yourself a question, that is this move strong enough to offset all of these things? The answer is no, right? Because number one, the up move is not very significant. Yes, if the up move was big enough, we would have said that okay, or most of these positions might get trapped and there would be a reversal which might happen. But If you see, the up move is hardly of 20 points, and also the open interest addition is not significant. That's the reason this long is misleading. So whenever you see a trend which exists, be it a bullish trend or bearish trend, how will you identify a bearish trend? A lot of reds and yellows getting from a lot of shorts and short coverings happening in a particular script. Whenever you see one long getting formed in between all of these things, in between a lot of reds and yellows, always try to monitor on that day. Okay, what's happening, right? Why there is suddenly a long built up coming in? So most often or not, that might be misleading. So something like this, wherein the OI is not getting added a lot, and also the price hasn't moved up a lot. So what I'll do, can I go ahead and create a trade on 8th of March? Obviously, no, I will be looking at this data end of the day. But 9th of March, the moment market opens and I see that there is a short getting formed in Nifty, obviously coming to this tool, it will show me. But I see that there is short getting formed in Nifty. That is the time I will try to participate. Okay. For short side, reds and yellows ka combination, one green in between with very small price movement and very small OI participation, that is something which you need to be cautious about. And since then, if you see 17,645, say market has collapsed all the way to 17,000. Right now there are two long built ups recently. Okay, but if you just see the quantum, just check this thing out. The shorts which are getting accumulated, significant quantum; longs which are getting accumulated, very small quantum. So this is how, looking at the historical build-ups, you can easily go ahead and identify such moves which are in the making. Two mantras: green and blue for positivity, red and yellow for negativity. Anything, anything which distorts this entire trend, this entire sequence, just try to observe what has actually happened on that day. If the move was big enough, then it is okay, the trend might have changed. But if the move was not big enough, and the if it is misleading, so I explained you how misleading will look like. So just try to be cautious over there. Okay, also if you see, there was a lot of OI addition which happened during this time frame, correct? यहाँ पर बहुत OI add हुआ था. A lot of shorts are getting formed over here, and the market has consolidated. So the people who are shorting, why they have shorted, right? Why they have shorted and they are not exiting a lot of positions? Itna short hua, that is not getting exited, right? In fact, on this day, most likely is the chance that this 20-point up move will not tell you anything, and this is misleading. So maybe a lot of shorts might have get deployed even on this day, and then we saw a good down move happening on Nifty front. So yes, folks, that was it from my side. So do access the analytics, and to make your trading easy, green and blue is the combination for positivity, red and yellow is the combination for negativity. So do check out the link in the description box below, and also you can find out from the I button, where you can access the application. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, happy trading, and also do subscribe and do hit the like button and do hit the bell icon as well. Bye bye, take care and happy trading.